such an off-brand airplane game, not gonna lie. So we're here with an Italy.
Okay. The seats are literally baby seats.
I know, right? So we're here with a gothic girl and Italy man. Please take a seat. Come on, girl.
What?
Don't die. I'm sitting here. I'm sitting here. Come on. Come on. Just find a seat.
Give me it.
Dear passengers, we are entering the turbulence.
I'm
Take
not
your
a child
seat.
anymore. I mean, a baby.
What song should I play? Ooh! What
You
song?
should book Cocomelon because we're sitting in baby seats right now.
Actually, no. I'm gonna find some game ideas from.
How are we supposed to buckle up if we're in baby seats?
Oh my God! What's with the lights?
Dang, I don't know you're scared of the dark, Italy guy. They never said his name. What are we supposed to do in his? Why is there a timer?
It's probably because how much it takes to fix the lights. By the way, I found another story game, and it's called Scary. Oh!
I knew.
Wait, he could sit down? He could freaking sit down. Boy, oh my. There was no man trying to kill you. Wow. Do not say nonsense. Angry emoji. Alright, I'm gonna go use the bathroom. Casually walks. Stay here. Don't follow me. Bruh, a key? A key, alright. Where'd you go?
Checking bathrooms.
The bathroom?
I'm checking bathroom.
Alright, I'm coming.
I found the key.
Yay!
It was not
right here.
Oh.
Bruh, this is the basement.
Why is it so? I can't fit in. Excuse me.
Bro, did I get stuck?
We both got stuck. I can't. You're moving so fast.
Shift lock.
Oh, I'm not gonna be stuck anymore.
Oh, finally.
Okay. This game's so broke. Oh, this actually don't.
Alright. Hey! Wait, the man is coming. I see him, look. I see him.
I'm hiding. Bye.
Let's get out of here.
I'm gonna hide in the bathroom. You better not come here.
I saw him. He's not coming? Wow. Okay. Should we start to find the pilot? Yes.
Yes.
Wait.
Yeah, can you while somebody your hands and can you walk? Hey, stand still real quick.
Run. Wait, run?
No. No.
Come on.
Where?
Did you just fart?
I was doing that with my mouth. I was doing this. I was doing that with my mouth. You dumb.
Bro, that sounds like a fart. Like, oh my god.
I can't.
There's a knife. Look, there's a secret knife.
I'm trying to get that knife.
哈？我不知道，我刚才在床上。
Wait, how is the pilot driving? Is it like, I mean flying? Is it flying with the knife?
There's autopilot. Yo!
There's no button!
Well, I don't know. It's autopiloting.
You're lying! You're the killer! I can't live off that.
No! Wow.
Oh, yeah, okay, you're right.
Even the plane is cartooned.
Is there a part 2? I want to play the OffBrand.
There's no part 2. That is so surprising. There's no part 2.
Let's play a different OffBrand game. That'll be what?